Hello WRCC fans, and my apologies, we haven't done a video for a while, but this is one that's fresh in. It's a cracker, as you can see, as with all WRCC cars of course. It is a 1966 Old English White Morris Minor 2-door saloon in lovely condition. It came locally, so it's a Yorkshire car, which makes it even better for us, being the Yorkshire Minor Centre. It is a 1966, 1098, really nice engine in it, servo brakes, alternator, all the bits and pieces. Really nice body, really nice paintwork, nice standout car, good chrome, as you can see, good panel gaps, nice shiny paintwork. No blemishes to speak of really, although nothing's perfect as you know from my videos. It's had new wings on it, good underneath, reconditioned wheels, good tyres. We'll have a look at the interior. As you can see, nice shine on it, nice shine on the roof there with no blemishes. Interior is good, Cherokee red, 5 previous keepers on the logbook. Good headlining, which looks original, but no rips or tears, all good. The back seat's all good, Cherokee red. The rear card's all good. Good carpets, which look original because they've got the footrest on them there. It's got your cut-off switch under the dash. Nice clean door apertures. Nice clean everything, to be honest. The dashboard's nice and clean. Glove box liners, etc, etc. Really nice tidy car. Drives really well. I've been out in this and I must admit I was impressed with it. It's showing 77,000 mile or 77,400. Starts first crack. Runs well, as said. Aperture's all nice and clean. Under the bonnet. So, as said, it's got alternator fitted. It's got the servo fitted. Nice tidy engine bay. Battery cut off. The wiring's all in good order. As you can see, inner wings, tie plates, flitches, all nice and tidy, nice and clean. It's a really nice car and it's just got a lot of charm about it. It's got everything going for it. If you're after a nice clean saloon and you like white and red, which everybody does, then this is probably the one for you, to be honest with you. As you can see, inner wings in the back are all tidy, that boot floor's all tidy, boot lid's all tidy. Really clean car. So as always, if you want further details and to give you a price, it is 10,995. We take part exchange on Morris Minors if you want any upgrade. Again, want further details, give us a call. It's 01422881221. That's WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk or put it in a horizontal again there, so we'll give it one last go around. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. Telephone 01422881221. Further details will be on the website, which is www.westridingclassics.co.uk later today. It's a superb car. I really like it. I'm sure if you get in your car and come and see us in Halifax, you'll really like it as well. Cheers guys.